It is chilly. It is chilly. Kind of getting in that holiday mood as we head toward Thanksgiving. Nice weather out there, but yes, it is going to be chillier, much cooler than it was this time yesterday. Taking you out to DFW Airport. We've talked about folks traveling. Not going to have any issues around here. Different story, as Mariel just talked about, around other parts of the country, weather-wise, though. But 48 degrees taking you on out to DFW right now. We'll have those north winds, adding a little extra chill to the air this morning at 13. So we're looking at those temperatures elsewhere around here this morning. 42 as we get out to Weatherford this morning. 43 there in Springtown. Coming back over on the other side of the Metroplex, looking at 46 now in Rockwall and 48 as we get out to Wiley here this morning. So it is going to be a clear, cool morning out there. Those highs this afternoon only in the mid to upper 50s. That normal high 63. So we're going to be a little bit below that. And over to Fort Worth, you will be around 55 later today, along with Denton 56 getting out to Mineral Wells and maybe closer to 60 in our southeastern counties here a little bit later today. But as you see, sunny skies all around the region here for today. Now a little chillier heading out the door tomorrow morning for Thanksgiving morning. We're going to be down in the upper 30s, so it is going to be a bit below normal once again with those temperatures around 39 for McKinney and Greenville, coming into the Metroplex for Fort Worth and Dallas as well. So a chilly start to your Thanksgiving day, but those temperatures will bounce back nicely as we go through the day on Thanksgiving, back into the upper 50s for us. Here's what it looks like. Satellite radar composite, clear skies out there for you this morning. Now, we do have some showers and thunderstorms down into South Texas this morning. Corpus Christi down to Brownsville. That's the area that we will have some morning rain and thunderstorms. Otherwise, it's looking good around the region for today. We'll have those temperatures warming into the upper 40s only for Oklahoma City, so it is going to be a cooler one there. Again, we're not going to get out of the upper 50s, mid and upper 50s here across North Texas for today. Now, those rain chances, they do return as we get into Friday night, so we'll get through Thanksgiving and most of Friday dry. But by Friday night, we'll have that rain chance starting to ramp up a little bit. Some scattered showers, maybe some thunderstorms. Friday evening, heading into Friday night, becomes a little more widespread heading on into Saturday, pushing a little farther south and east. We'll be monitoring that potential for some strong, maybe severe storms down into central Texas as we get into Saturday as well. And then that begins to push a little farther east as we get into a Saturday evening. So not a washout, not going to be looking at widespread heavy rain like what we saw a few days ago, but we will have that chance for some rain back in the forecast. Here's what it looks like over the next 5 days. We'll bump that rain chance up to about 40% Friday night, 60% early on Saturday, and maybe that will linger into the first part of Sunday as well. So just stay tuned as we continue to make updates to the forecast for you. All right, here's that 14-day outlook. Now, we do have some cold air. Haven't gotten a chance to talk about that yet. Very cold. Saturday night going into Sunday. Look at those daytime highs only in the upper 40s as we get into Sunday and Monday. And we'll be watching that precip continuing into Monday and Tuesday. Right now, we're keeping temperatures above freezing, so not looking at anything frozen as far as the precip is concerned, but we'll be watching that. Maybe some freezing rain, some sleet mixture in some parts of the state, but we'll be monitoring that over the next few days as well. And those temperatures are going to stay on the cooler side through the end of next week.